I never thought I'd be so excited about organs, but here we are. Let's start with the heart. You know how it usually beats? Well, during pregnancy it's like, nah, I'm gonna work overtime now. It literally grows bigger and pumps way more blood. Your brain? It, shrinks. Yeah, you heard that right, but don't worry, it's not getting dumber. It's just rearranging furniture, if you will. Now, onto the kidneys. These guys are like, oh, you thought you were busy before. Hold my, amniotic fluid. They start filtering way more blood and making more urine. It's like they're trying to win some sort of internal organ competition. And get this, we still don't know everything about how pregnancy affects our bodies. It's like this grand experiment that's been running since, well, forever. And we're still learning new things all the time. How freaking cool is that? Hit that like button, smash subscribe, and tap the link in the bio. You won't regret it.